Well, welcome back to my retreat. This is Cece, and the sound you are hearing is ice banging against the window outside from the snowstorm we're having. But I think they said it was supposed to be an ice storm. I'm just in my apartment garden harvesting some peas. These are done. And whoa, this one was there for a long time. So the storm is getting worse. I've even seen it going sideways. The snow is blowing sideways. Oh, there's a lot of peas here. Where's all my peas? And some more over here. Just a little snack. Not bad for my little apartment garden, right? Oh, there's another one here. All while it's snowing outside while we're having a snowstorm.